Okay, my 75 Dodge Ramcharger. Been parked for just over a year, maybe 10 months since I last ran the motor, because I put new floors in it. And soundproofing and thermal and new seats. Cleaned up all the original paint back here after I took the carpet out. Here we go. Oops. Here we go. 360, 30 over. Thermal quad. I've got to fill the bowls before I try and start it. New steering lower column. So I can't do this in one take. I'm gonna probably pick it up, me putting gas in the bowls and then hopping in and starting it. I think the battery's charged up good. We'll see.